What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Spank the World, and today I'm gonna be bringing you guys another video on the Tahoe. Today I'm gonna be addressing the factory rim issue. My rims are kind of pitting, like each rim got like some pitting on them. And then not only that, I also want to get rid of this chrome look. So let me get this camera turned around and show you guys the rims, the factory rims that's on here now. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but right in here, each rim around the air tire thing, the tire nozzle, each rim is kind of pitting for some reason. Other than that, they're in decent condition. This one also got some right here, but like I say, so that just don't look too good. Other than that, the rims are actually in decent shape, but that pitting, man, I don't like how it's pitting right there. And like I say, each rim is doing that all the way around. So I mean, it's right by the air nozzle. I don't know what would be causing that, or why they doing that, but I don't like it. And also just the chrome anyway. You know, these days people not really doing chrome rims as much as they used to back in the day. So like I said, they are doing that. And I'm pretty particular about things, and that's just kind of irritating me. I don't like that, which I'm not really into the bigger rims or all that flashy stuff, but I don't like this even on my factory rims. That one missing my cap. I don't even know where my cap at on that one. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that, because like I say, that's starting to kind of irritate me, and I'm gonna be addressing that issue real soon. So you guys gonna definitely have to stay tuned to see what rims I decide to go with or whatnot. And like I say, I ain't trying to take up too much of y'all time on this video. It's cold out here. So if it ain't too much trouble, could you guys please subscribe and like the video? Feel free to comment down below, and I definitely appreciate that.